There are two different kinds of words that end in ER in English. First, you have comparatives like bigger, smaller, and the other you have professions like banker or player. The second category is what we're talking about with this set of suffixes. Here are a couple of examples. And, well, before I get into the examples, I want to let you know that they're not all cognates. So what these suffixes do is when you add them to a noun or a base noun, it makes it a person who does. So, for example, if you work at a bank, then you would be a banquero, un banquero, or una banquera. Los duendes, goblins, son los banqueros in Harry Potter. Or, in this sentence, ella es carnicera means she is a butcher because la carne means meat, and carnicera would be one who cuts meat. And lastly, granja means farm, so granjero means farmer. Él es granjero. If you want to make the profession out of a noun, you would add ero or era, and that would be the equivalent of ER in English.